This is P7 Science. Let's revise these questions. So number 1, name the part on the stem of a plant that develops into a branch. So that is called axillary bud. Or it can also be called lateral bud. Then number 2, state any one cattle disease spread by ticks. So the diseases spread by ticks, we have like East Coast fever. We also have red water. We also have hot water. And there is also what we call anaplasmosis. So these are diseases spread by ticks. East Coast fever, red water, hot water, anaplasmosis. Number 3, mention one practice at home that can control malaria. So we have sleeping under treated mosquito nets. Sleeping under treated mosquito nets, draining stagnant water, We have pouring oil on stagnant water, and so on. So number 4, what first aid can you give to a person who has been bitten by a poisonous snake? So that is tying a tourniquet above the bitten part. So that is the first aid given to people who are bitten by poisonous snakes. So this is meant to stop the blood containing poison from flowing to the heart. So that is why we tie a tourniquet above the bitten part. So you can as well say that by tying a tourniquet between the heart and the bitten part. Number 5, how can Cherabo, a P3 girl, benefit from the trees that grow within her compound? So 1, we can say trees provide shade. Trees provide her with shade. Yes. So Cherabo as a P3 girl, simply that's how she can benefit from trees within her compound or their compound. Number 6, from which material is biopigment made? So biopigment is made from dead or worn out red blood cells. So yes, biopigment or bile is made from red blood cells. Then the diagram below shows the head of a worm. Use it to answer the questions that follow, or questions number 7 and 8. So that is the diagram. So I hope you can see that that is the diagram of probably, actually, okay, not probably, but a tapeworm. Yes, so we have part W and you also have part P. So question number 7, that name part P. So that part P is known as a sucker. It is known as a sucker. That is the name of part P. So that is a sucker. Then 8, how is part marked W useful to the worm? So it is for attachment to the walls of the intestines. For attachment to the walls of intestines. So that is how it is. So it uses that part W is called hook. Yes, there are many hooks surrounding that part of the head. So their purpose is for attachment to the walls. Then for the suckers is to suck the digested food from the intestine. So remember, tapeworms feed on digested food in the intestines, and you also have hookworms, and for them they feed on blood. So number 9, write down one PS message that may help to protect school children from getting HIV. So here we have what we call abstain from sex, or what we can call saying no to sex. We have different PS messages. Also, we can also have AIDS kills and others. Remember, when you are answering, we need only one answer. So, but here being revision, I can provide you with many, but you pick one. So number 10, why do farmers who rear local breeds of animals spend less on animal treatment? So local breeds of animals, so the answer is local breeds of animals are more resistant to diseases. So the answer is local breeds. Local breeds of animals are more resistant to diseases than exotic and close breeds. So that is why a farmer who keeps local breeds spends less on animal treatment.